Morning everyone. Welcome to DevOps with AWS session. Okay. So guys, previously we have configured Tomcat server, Sonar server, and Jenkins. But I believe that is not a correct configuration. In fact, that was deleted because few days back only we take that session. So for saving time, I have configured Tomcat server and Sonar with Java 8 in two different servers, in two different EC2 virtual machine. Okay. Only thing we need to configure Jenkins. Okay. So this already running. This is Tomcat server. We are very much aware how to configure this Tomcat server. Now I'm able to log in, and this is our SonarQube server. Here also I am able to log in. Okay. Now we will configure only Jenkins server, and this is our GitHub repository. Okay. So now I'm launching one EC2 instance with Amazon. And guys, one more thing I want to tell you. Uh, we have discussed everything with Ubuntu service, Ubuntu virtual machine, not with Amazon. So this time, what I configure is all these thing with Amazon machine. Amazon machine. If we are facing any issue, we will see that. No problem. Okay. Let me Jenkins, Jenkins Amazon. And for practice purpose, I am not using free tier because it is not taking, it is having only 1 GB RAM. So the memory there is a chance of memory full. So what I am doing is, sorry, not this AMI is fine. Instead of T2 micro, I am taking T2 medium also. There is no issue with Jenkins. Ideally, we need to take for SonarQube. But what happen is when we run the server of Jenkins, so with so much instruction and load that 1 GB memory is getting struck and it is taking time to perform to give the response. So I am taking T2 medium. Okay, I'm launching the instance. Meanwhile, it will launch. I want to tell you, whenever you are having this command sudo apt, remember this is all for Ubuntu. And whenever we are using sudo yum, those are for what? Amazon. Sorry, those are for Amazon Linux. Okay. Okay. This is done. So let me install. This is package update command sudo yum update. Java we are installing. Point 7.8 it is ready. 'If any issue will also come, we will try to use ChatGPT also. How to use that? You'll see that also. For any kind of issue. This is Java icon version to check. So Java is installed. This is the command. We use this. Actually, I'm trying with Amazon. With this Amazon, we are getting some issue. I'm trying to understand what is this issue actually. So for this, we will use ChatGPT to understand and fix this issue. In real time also, you will find this issue, then you can Google and you can find able to fix that. Okay. So let's use this. How we can get the result. Let's try this. I'm just pasting. I'm just pasting my issue here. What is our issue? Jobs for Jenkins service failed because the control process executed the error code. Let's use this. Enter here. Here. Whatever the law results we are getting, just copy those things and paste here in the chat GPT. Okay. Let's see. We can do this. There is no problem. Already we have done this. We have done this with our regular steps, right, in Ubuntu. But this time I'm trying to use Amazon. Okay. So that we should be good with this also. Okay. See what is we are getting for this issue. Thanks for this outpost. Jenkins crashing immediately after being started and give suspend after 5 tries. If Java is missing or the version is too old, example Java 8 or incompatible with 17, open JDK is required. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Copy this. We need to install open Java JDK 11 as per this suggestion. Paste here. We know Java 8 is installed. What is showing? Last metadata. Okay. If you do Java hyphen version, what we will get? See, Java hyphen version. What we are getting? 1.8, right? Now come here. It should what is expecting? Check Java installation. Yeah, Java running on which version? Should give this output. And what is suggestion? If Java is missing or the old version is too old, then install Java. But this command is not also working, right? Okay. Sudo yum install Java. If we copy this and run this command here, this is also not working. Paste here. No match for argument. Open JDK. Okay. So let me paste this. What is the error we are getting? Copy this. And paste here. It will give some suggestion again. Now it is showing for Amazon Linux 2. This is the command. Copy this command. Copy this command. Come here. Paste here. Our is Linux 2023. No problem. Let's see. Java hyphen version. Okay, this is Java hyphen version. Let's start this. Copy this. Paste here. Great. You have Java 11 installed correctly. Okay, so that not the issue. Jenkins still failing means problem lies elsewhere. Now let's dig into the exact reason why Jenkins is failing. So this is the command, sudo cat command to get the logs till minus n 40 means last 40 lines it will show. Okay. One second. It is to check port number is free. This is to check which port number is occupied with some other activity or not. So when we run this command, so there is no response means this is fine. What is showing, if something show up, you need to stop that process or change the Jenkins port number. But we did not get anything, right? Let's go to other step. Check Jenkins configuration file. Copy this. If needed, it is showing, but there is no use because already it is showing free, right? So we don't require this step. Copy this command. Now let's print this, what we can get. Sudo u Jenkins. What is the giving? Running with Java 11 from, which is older than minimum required version Java 17. Supported Java version of 17 in 11. So let me copy paste this. Let me copy paste this and paste here. We install it after that 11, but what it is expecting? It is expecting 17. So what is saying? There is the issue. Jenkins now requires 17 version. You are running Java 11. Okay. So imagine. Okay, let's install this version then. Let's install this version. Copy this. Paste here. Now we are installing 17, higher version than 11. Now we will do Java hyphen version. Now it is using 17 version. Okay. What is next step? It is not showing 11. If it is showing, then we can use this command. Then we can choose. This is the, for example, there are two Java installed. Java 8, Java 11, Java 17. It is not taking properly. Then what we need to use this command, such kind of command. This will give you option which Java you want, 1, 2, or 3. One will be 8, 2 will be 11, third will be 17. Then we need to enter that number, then choose. But already it is active. Okay, now copy this command. You will try to restart Jenkins. Failed to start Jenkins. Okay, use this command only. Let me use this command to stop the Jenkins first. See, this is the issue actually. I want to specially work on Amazon instead of Ubuntu. I want to specially use this Amazon now. See, we give this alternative. So what we have to use? 17, right? So enter 3. Java hyphen version. If there is a conflict, we can resolve that conflict. Jenkins restart. I think Jenkins is up. Jenkins is running. Very good. What is the version? Okay, this is the, what is the default port number? 8080. Hope you are understanding why I'm trying to do all this activity using ChatGPT. If such a situation will come, how to how to take help from ChatGPT. Okay, we are able to fix that, right? Now only port number I need to give, and let's try to run this. Okay, now let's come here. Already see Tomcat running, Git is there, Sonar is there, and now I am running what 8080 in another server. This 8080 another server, this 8080 is another server. Okay, once we are good, Jenkins is running. Now only thing we need to integrate Sonar. Okay, so for this we need password. One second. This is the command to get the password. Let me run this command to get the Jenkins password. Okay, Control C. Paste here. This is the one-time password. Copy this. Copy this. Come here. Paste here. See, till now we have done this all this thing in Ubuntu. So, but I am trying to do all this thing in Amazon now. Okay. Otherwise, we could not face this issue. But we are using this time Amazon. All this in Amazon machines. Previously, we had done all this step in Ubuntu. Let me give everything. Save and finish. Copy this URL. Okay, guys. So now guys see our Tomcat is there, our GitHub is there, SonarQube is there, Jenkins is there. Okay. Now go to manage Jenkins. We need to add some plugins. There are two plugins which we want to install. So go here, plugin. Go in available plugins. So SonarQube Scanner is the one plugin. So click on install. Click on install. That plugin installed successfully. We are not, for now, we are not deploying anything into Tomcat. We are just trying to use code should be, this is our pipeline. This is our pipeline. This is our pipeline. Hope we are discussed. So this pipeline, what it will do? Okay, guys. Yeah, we will again face some issue when we run this pipeline. What those issue will be there? We will try to investigate one by one. Okay. For now, this is fine. Again, go to manage Jenkins. I have installed one plugin, right? So now go to tools. Okay. Let's add Java. Install automatically. Git. Git is not. Okay. Add SonarQube scanner. We need to give this name. So name I am giving SonarQube. Name of this SonarQube we need to keep here. So let me use that name. Let me give this name SonarQube. I am taking lower version. Okay. Add Maven. This we have done in tool configuration. And let's see system configuration. What is required here? If you see here SonarQube server, right? Environment variable, add Sonar. The property is mandatory. What is the name we have given? Sonar server. Same name we will give here. What is the URL of Sonar? Copy this, paste here. One token is required, right? How we can generate token from Sonar for authentication? Go to my account, security, revoke old token. I will create new token, generate one token, copy this token. Here, we need to add a username password. Instead of that, what we will give? Secret text and paste here that token, add. Now it will populate here that secret text. Means in Jenkins, we are giving Sonar server name, that URL, that text, because Jenkins is going to connect to SonarQube. That is what this step is required. Apply, save. So this part we have done. This part we have done. Now we need to create one pipeline. Create new type, new item. I am giving one pipeline, test pipeline. Click here pipeline and OK. 100% we are going to get issue. If you are getting an issue, see. If I am clicking on pipeline, we need to provide the pipeline here. So let me select all, control Z. Paste that pipeline. Try to understand. See, Maven is also not installed in our system. First of all, we need to install Maven in Jenkins also, but that is not installed. So 100% this is going to fail. So we will see that how to install. Once Maven is installed, what is this pipeline? This will look for this path. Okay, Apache Maven. Let me copy this and we will ask ChatGPT to install this. We will pick the instruction and we will install. Okay, this is the path. Okay, next is it will check out the code from this URL. Okay, this is public repository. It is going to. Then next is mn clean install and then build SonarQube. We will try to run this 100%. If you face any issue, we will try to rectify. Now I am doing just build now. Console output, it is failed, I believe. See, what is we are getting? Error cloning Git repository. Okay, we don't know what we have did. So let's ask ChatGPT. If I don't know, I don't want all these things. I just copy this. I will copy this and let's ask ChatGPT what we are getting. Okay, I know what is the issue, but you guys also should practice this kind of thing. So let's ask ChatGPT. I paste the error log. Yeah. What is saying? Jenkins is up and running, which means Java issue is resolved. Now you are facing a Git repository cloning. Okay. So what is the issue? Missing Git installation. Git might not install on your EC2. Okay. So let's run this command, whether ensure Git is installed in our server. Paste this command here. Git is not there. Git is not there. Okay. So what is showing? Copy this command to install Git. Okay. Let me run this command git install. Paste here. Now Git is getting installed. Git is installed. Fix Jenkins folder permission. Okay. Copy this command, paste here. Chown command, right? We are giving Jenkins permissions to this folder. Okay, this is done. Now run the following command, following usage Jenkins. If the public is public, it should ref. If it is give 403 authentication, the repo is private. Let's try to invoke this Git repository using this command. Let's try this. What is run the following as a Jenkins user? Jenkins try to use this command. If the repository is public, it should list reference. Okay. Okay. Now let's come here. Paste here. See, it is giving the. So it is now Git is able to access. Okay. Now it is fine. Okay. So what we did, we have installed Git, we have run this command, and we have checked the public is repository private or public. The repository is public. Okay. Now let's run this pipeline, whether this issue is fixed or not. Come here. Now build now. Whether we are able to fetch the, come here. Console output. See, cloning the Git repository. Git repository, everything is fine, right? First time builds, keeping clean log. Some failure is there. That is not our issue. But what was our previous issue? We are not able to clone the repository. Now cloning the Git repository. Everything is done. Add, checkout, first time build. Ambient clean install is done. Command not found. It means Maven is not installed in our server. Okay. First part is done, right? Now let me copy this part. Let me copy this part. Copy this. Ask chatgpt. What is the issue? Now paste here. Immediately it will understand. You are making solid progress. See, it is giving us what suggestion it is giving. You are making a solid progress. Jenkins has now successfully cloned your GitHub. What was suggestion previously? See, read. When previous error we have Jenkins is now up and running, which means Java issue is resolved. Because previously we are facing Java issue. We are fixing the issue with the help of ChatGPT. Okay. So now Jenkins is up and now running. Java issues was resolved. Git repository cloning failure, previous issue. We have followed the instruction. We have followed the instruction. We have followed the instruction. Okay. Then we have given this time we have followed this instruction. Git issues resolved. Now come down. Now come down. What it is showing after when we give the second time, you are making solid progress. It is giving means ChatGPT is able to understand also that we are making good progress. Jenkins now successfully cloned the project and started your pipeline. The next issue you are hitting is this is the issue. What is the issue? Maven command not found. Jenkins is trying to Maven clean install. If you see our pipeline, okay, Maven is fine. Maven is not there, right? This is working fine. Able to pull the code, but Jenkins is trying to run ambient clean install. If we see our pipeline, what is our next type? Ambient clean install. Whether, but Maven is not installed. Okay, so it will ask to install Maven. Okay, let's see where is our Maven. And some optional statement it is giving Maven 3. Okay, what we need to do is, but we will install this version of Maven, guys, 3.8.4 something. So let me use this command. Some logic we need to think, because if you install this command also, think in that way, it will take any version. So let me duplicate my tab. Let me duplicate my tab. Let me ask any other question. I want to install Apache Maven 3.8.4 in Amazon Linux 2003 in EC2 instance. What instruction it is giving? This is fine. This is fine. Now see this step-by-step installation of Apache Maven. So it is connect to your EC2 install. We already connected. We have already Java 17, no problem. Download Apache Maven 3.8.4 and then unzip that. So we need to change to cd/off. Then we need to run this, copy this step. It is giving all this step, but we need to follow proper step. Then we need to unzip that. Okay, unzip that. Okay. Okay. Let's try this. cd/opt. Or better, let's go with whatever version our current step is giving. We will use this directly install. Let's see which version it is installing. I'm installing Maven. Whatever the instruction the previous it is giving. Copy this. Once it is installed, we will change the version in our pipeline. No problem. Paste here. Ambient hyper version 3.8.4 it is giving. Yeah, perfectly fine. This is what we are expecting. 3.84.1 that is in our pipeline. Okay. Okay. Now fine. Can we go here? Can we go here and trigger our pipeline? Let's try to trigger our pipeline. Let's try to trigger our pipeline. I am doing build now. I am doing build now. Third build I am doing today. Two just done. Why I'm in when I created EC2 Amazon EC2 instance today, I take medium, not T2 file. Okay, perfectly fine. See, now it is doing some more log, right? Come down, come down. See, it is repository, everything build, everything is done, right? Any issue, see what is the issue? That is what our agenda. So much logs coming, right? It means what? It means what? Something is failing. Something is failing, but not at Maven related. Okay, it is related to what? It is related to SonarQube now. So come here, just remove one stage here, configure here, come to our pipeline. It means all this stage is done. This stage is also done. Where is our issue? This is our issue. Okay, just for now, let me delete this. Control X, apply, save. Let me, for safer side, I'm keeping somewhere here that's this stage. Okay, now, can I do build now? I am doing build now fourth time. Console output. See guys, console output. Build success. Finish success. This time I am not, I remove sonar part. It means we are able to successful uh, pull the code from GitHub. Pull the code from GitHub. Read this carefully. No git. This is git hyphen version. Everything git checkout. Everything is done, right? Then Maven clean install. Second part also we are able to fix. Hope we are understanding how we are taking help from ChatGPT also. But ChatGPT, what it is suggesting, what our knowledge is, based on that we should be able to take decision. It will give 100 steps. See, in this step, it is showing If you see install maven, I use this command and checking maven version. When I ask end-to-end step, ChatGPT, step-by-step installation of Apache maven, this is my asked question. Apache maven 3.8.4 on Amazon Linux. It is giving full instruction. Connect to your EC2 instance, install required package of Java, download Apache maven. So I think that instead of going all this step again, better I should go with this step. This is what my understanding. So I install this maven. So when we run this maven in our install in Apache maven, so everything is fine, right? Everything is fine. Okay, everything is fine. Let me do one more thing. Come to dashboard. Come to dashboard. Come to dashboard. Let me create one pipeline. Let me create one pipeline. Deploy pipeline. Freestyle project. Okay, this pipeline is there, no problem. Come back to dashboard. For deployment, what we require? Manage Jenkins. One deploy to Tomcat server plugin is required, right? Plugin is required. Maven plugin is required. Available plugin. Available plugin. Deploy to container plugin is required. So install this also. Perfectly fine. Dashboard. Dashboard. Click here, deploy to plugin. Configure here. Instead of pipeline, this is our freestyle one. Okay. Now try to observe source code management Git. What is the Git URL? Jenkins demo. This is the Git URL project, right? Copy this. Paste URL. We don't know the credential. Let me add the credential. Username, password. Add this. It will populate here. Perfectly fine. What is the branch name? It is the not master. This is the main branch. Okay. Next step is what? Invoke top level maven. Maven is coming. What is the goal? Clean and install. Maven clean and install. Post build action. Once build is done, deploy var to container. Star dot star slash var. I am giving some name. Context path. Add container. Where is the container? No credential, right? Add credential. Username is admin. Password is also this. What is the URL? Copy this URL. Go here. Paste this URL. Add container. I think this is the container we need to add. Oh, sorry. This is again repetitive step. Apply and save. Let me try build now. This is already we did just for save. I am doing again. Build success is done. Copy this part. Let's search here. Come here to Jenkins. Let's again check. Configure. Stars dot. Okay. Star slash star dot war. This should be the correct one. Apply save. Let me do build now. Build successful. It is successful. Console output. Only issue was build success. Come here. Let me refresh this. See, this is coming right. Click here. Perfectly fine. Deployment is done, right? So these are the two ways. What happened? Okay. So we are able to deploy this also. So there are two options we have choose right now. One is with pipeline. If we go with dashboard, we have two things. There are two pipeline. One is we created with the help of what? Freestyle project. One is going directly with pipeline. So if we go with this pipeline, these are our stage, guys. These are our stage. Okay, these are our stage. So always remember what it is. In Jenkins server, we should have Apache Maven, Java, and Java, Apache Maven should be installed, right? And Git install. Then only it will run. That we have rectified in our today's session. So we have given this branch, this stage is successfully done. This is one another stage, and this is another stage. Let me show you one more thing. Come here, test. See here, if you click on stages, first time, see, when first time there are first stage, according to our pipeline, what is the stages? Inside this stage block, if you see here, there is one stage that is Git checkout. You see here, first time checkout issue was there. So it is not able to go into another part. We took the help of from chatgpt. We fixed that Git. We installed the Git in our Jenkins. Second time we build, so it was checkout was right green. Second time we filled build issue. We faced the issue with this build because Maven was not installed. With the help of chatgpt, we installed Maven. Third time we trigger, so checkout and build was success. Checkout is the name for this stage. This name is the checkout. This stage is the name for build. We did Maven clean install. Now this two part is done. And third part is sonar analysis is problem, right? If you hear this pipeline, so we need to check what is the issue, sonar stage. Okay. So let me give this pipeline now for now also. I am giving this pipeline here in my pipeline section. Go to stage. And fourth one, why both are green? Because there is no third stage. I removed that SonarQube stage. That is what there is no error. Come to again here, come here, configure the pipeline. Can I paste here the third part? Paste here. That third stage I have given from here to here, here to here. Okay. Third stage I am giving Sonar server, ambient Sonar colon Sonar. Okay. Already we have, like, let me apply this, save this. Can we build again? Let me build now. Maybe any issue is there. We will try to fix that. Fifth is triggered. Fifth is triggered. Console output. It is taking time. It is taking time. Maybe it is failure. What is the build failure? Is the finish is there for this end of pipeline. Okay, no problem. Let me copy this. Let me copy this error issue and pass it to whom? ChatGPT. I don't want to read. I just I know what is the error from where. I'm just passing it to ChatGPT. Your run Maven on Java 17 or later. The plugin one is dependency reflection Java internal without required model. Sonar Maven plugin 3.9 your version may not fully support Java 17 without extra JVM option. How to fix that? You need to run Maven with JVM option. Some it is suggestion it is giving. Alternative, set this JVM in pipeline. Okay. Verify Java version. You are running Java version or later. You can check with Java version. Yes, we are good with this. Upgrade Sonar Maven plugin for latest table. New version might fix this problem. Check this. Okay. Okay, this is the issue we are getting. So we will try to fix this issue tomorrow. Okay. This third part, we will try to fix this issue. It is not a big thing. But guys, hope you are understand what we are trying to understand, how this pipeline is working. Today, only 3 pipeline is there. Try to understand this. In one pipeline, there are stage. Get the code directly, do the clean install, do the solar analysis. Tomorrow there will be some more stage, like deploy to Kubernetes pod, something. Okay. So if you understand one pipeline, how the pattern is working, you can able to understand other part too, right? So it is also not a problem. Once Sonar will be run, what we will get, similarly we get the output right in our container. Similarly, we will get some project analysis here. For now, if you see here, click on project, there is 0 project analysis. There is 0 project. If this pipeline will success, one project will be there. Then we are able to see bugs. What is the bugs in our code? This is our code, right? This is our code. What is coding standard or not? All these things we are able to see here. That is what only thing which you want to understand, that code quality, all these things. Now, so you hope you understand. We have discussed so much thing on SonarQube, Jenkins. Only one this need to trigger, and this project will reflect here, and this project will reflect, and then we are able to see that. That's it. Nothing more than that is expected here in this session for this. Okay, hope you are good. Okay, so I will try to rectify this issue as we have over the time. We will see tomorrow. Okay, for this, and post this we will start Ansible, guys. Okay, Ansible we are going to start Ansible and Terraform. Okay, so I'm stopping the recording. Just a minute.